You are going to love the 2020 Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, auto-off headlights. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Every certified pre-owned Volkswagen comes with a limited warranty, 24-hour roadside assistance, and peace of mind knowing that it passed a comprehensive inspection. That's 3 major reasons to go out and buy yourself a certified pre-owned Volkswagen. See your dealer for details.